Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from our science subject we are going to continue our lesson transport and communication. Okay children. 53rd question children, match the following and select the correct option from the codes given below. See here children, in column 1 you are having some options and column 2 you are having some options. So what you have to do is you have to match column 1 with column 2. Suppose so A, in column 1 A, run on petrol or diesel or gas. So which is going to run on petrol or diesel or gas children from this column 2 options? So we'll say bullock cart, no, tonga, no, scooter. No, scooter is going to run on petrol or diesel, and motorcycle also. No, motorcycle also. So these two. Now run by electricity. Run by electricity, that is power. So it is metro rail. No, from these options you are having metro rail. So 5 is B then. Driven by animals. Driven by animals. So tonga and bullock cart. No, like if you see 1 and 2, I have written as C there. And D, run by manpower. Run by manpower. Rickshaw. This is D children. Boat and bicycle. No, boat also man has to just sail on the boat. No, like he has to operate the boat with his hands and with the sticks. So boat. Okay children, I am talking about the early boat here. Okay, so even these days ships have been very much advanced, so they are going to use some power, but there will be a person who is going to operate it again. Okay, in to travel in the correct direction. Clear children? Now, so then what will be our answer from the options? So A is equal to 3 and 4. Sorry, 3 and 7. B is equal to 5. C is 1 and 2. D is equal to 4th, 6th and 8th. No, D. So let us see. Yes. If you check it, you can find it correct. Clear children? Yes. 54th question children. Which of the following is an audio-visual means of communication? So already we have repeated this question, but here the difference is, here you are given pictures. Okay, from these pictures you have to find out which object is an audio visual means of communication. So here it is a radio, a television, newspaper and a telephone. And the answer is children B, that is television. We can also listen and we can also see. Now we'll get the sound and we can also see the pictures. So visually seeing, audio is listening. Okay, clear? Now 55th question. Which of the following are means of mass communication? Mass communication. Mass communication means children, if you are going to pass one information once, so many hundreds, thousands, crores of people can get the news at the same time. That is mass communication. So there is no need to talk to person. If you talk, no, suppose if you take telephone example, if you talk with somebody on telephone, who are going to listen? Only the person who you are talking. No, but mass communication is like if you give any information, if you want to pass any information at the same time, so many people, mass in the sense crowd, so many can get the news or communication at once. So that is mass communication. So which of the following are means of mass communication? So as I said, telephone is a wrong option. Why? Because if we talk, only one person is going to listen to it. Okay, and postcard also. Postcard also is a wrong option. Why? If you post a card to somebody, it is going to reach only to that particular person, only a single person. No. So even postcard is also a wrong option. If you see internet, newspaper, radio, television, if you have any information, news, picture, song, anything, so at once so many people are going to see that. No, that is mass communication. So what are the correct options, children? D, E, F and I. So A is the correct answer. Understood, children, what is mass communication? So where the communication is going to pass for the crowd, for so many people at the same time. Clear, children? Now, 56th question. How many means of communication are hidden in the grid? See here, it is a word grid, children. So you have to find out how many means of communication are hidden in this grid. So let us see the first one: post office, television, telegram, telephone, newspaper, internet. Okay, until T, internet. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 from this grid. So A is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now 57th question. Which of the following figures indicates zebra crossing? Which of the following figures indicates zebra crossing? See here, you have got 4 signals, children, figures. So from this you have to identify what is zebra crossing. We'll come from the last. So D is like no entry, C is no parking, A is railway track, like you'll be having railway crossing ahead, and B is, yes, it is zebra crossing, where you can cross the road. Okay, the pedestrians who walk on the road, they can cross the road on this figure, on this signs. So B is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now 58th one. Select the odd one out from the following. Select the odd one out from the following. What is it? See, this is a tractor, this is a bus, this is a car, this is an auto rickshaw. So if you see tractor, car and an auto rickshaw. Okay, sorry. Just a minute, children. Okay, sorry. Like tractor is for carrying goods, or tractor is for doing some agricultural activities. No, we are going to use tractor for that. And if you see bus, car and D, that is auto rickshaw, here people, passengers, they are going to travel. No, so what is the odd one now? A, that is tractor. Why? Because through tractor we are not going to travel from one place to another place. Tractor is used for some other commercial activities, like for agriculture, for transporting goods and all that. But for people who want to travel from one place to another place, we use bus, car, auto rickshaw and so on. Now children, so A is the odd one here. Question, children. Select the correct option regarding the given transport vehicle. So here you have got one transport vehicle. So we have to see whether these options are correct or not. So A is, it is a tram car. Okay. And this is correct. It is a wheeled vehicle that runs on rails. This is also correct. It is propelled by electricity. In the sense, it is operated by electricity. Okay, this is also correct. So all of these, option D is correct. So actually this is a tram car, children. Like in our country, we have this tram car only in the city Calcutta. Like as we are having our city buses on roads, very frequently you will have city buses, to travel from one locality to the other locality. So like that, in Calcutta, you have tram cars on roads. Okay, so this is run by electricity. Are you able to see here? So here is the electricity. So the train is going to get charged from this electricity and it is going to run on the tracks. Okay, children, even in very big geological parks, even in exhibitions also you can see such type of tram cars. But in exhibition, it is not going to run through electricity. Okay, but the model of this vehicle will be the same. Okay, children, this is a tram car. Like our city bus, they have this city train. Clear? Now, 61st question. Match the following and select the correct option from the codes given below. So here you are having codes, children. You have to match according to the codes given below. Here ships. Ships. Where do the ships mean halt? In the harbor. Okay. And then helicopter in helipad. Then aeroplane, airport. And bulky goods. Bulky goods. Bulky goods are seashore, water transport, air transport. From this, you are having water transport. Bulky in the sense very large quantity of goods are transported through water transport. Okay, through ships. So this is our answers. These are our answers, children. So A3, B1, C2 and D5. So A is the correct option. See here. Check it. Okay. Now, 62nd question. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bhavs. The mudra shown in the figure depicts. See here. Even we also play, no? We also have this hand gesture sometimes while playing. This is called as mudra. One of the mudra where people like dancers, especially who practice this classical dance, they are going to use such type of gestures on hands and face, which we call it as mudras and bhavs. Okay, children? And this mudra is indicating what? Is it a bird? Is it a fish? Is it a frog? Or is it a snake? What is it? Yes, it is a fish. So this part will feel as a fish and these are as its wings. No. Then you'll just, when you move these thumbnails, you feel like a fish is moving. No. So this is a fish. Clear, children? 63rd question. Select the option in which the correct odd one among the others is encircled. Okay. Select the option in which the correct odd one among the others is encircled. Okay, how you have to do this? See here, already it is been circled, no? So we have one in every one option, children, one word is circled. Okay, if that is the odd one, then that is the correct answer. If that circled word is not odd one, then that is a wrong answer. Now what we have to do is, we have to select a option, one line, where the correct odd one is circled. Clear? Now let us see. So in A line, what we are having? Cycle, car, aeroplane and train. So cycle is circled, that saying that cycle is odd one. No. How? Because car, aeroplane and train, so these are like vehicles which need power and all that. No, which need power. But here cycle, there is no need of power. Only power what it is? The manpower. No. So that is why cycle is the odd one. So this is the correct one. And if you see here, aeroplane, hot balloon, helicopter, boat. But here boat is the odd one. So this is wrong answer. Again, boat, ship, submarine, car. Car is the odd one. Car, bus, scooter, bullock cart. Bullock cart is the odd one. So because this B, C and D are circled wrong, so these are wrong answers. Okay, children, correct answer is cycle. Okay, now 64th question. Study the figures below. Study the figures below. Okay, what is there? Yes, here also a person is talking on phone. Here also a person is talking on phone. But here, this is a bus stop. here it is in the office. In the A picture it is in the office, and in the B picture it is in near a bus signal, okay, or bus stop. Clear? So what is the question? Let us see. What is the advantage of the method of communication as shown in figure B as compared to that of figure A? So in figure A also you are having one telephone instrument. See, okay, and again here also in figure B also you are having one telephone instrument. So what is the advantage of the method of communication? Okay, so the person in figure B, sorry children, the person in figure B can move without remaining connected to cable. The person in a figure A can move without remaining connected to cable. The person in figure B has more capability to talk than the person in figure A. The person in figure A can talk more than a person in figure B. Okay, so and the answer is the person in figure B can move without remaining connected to cable. So here this is a like a cable phone, children. Like you will be having, just a minute children. No, here in this picture what is there here? So this phone is having a connection with the other phones in the office. Okay, like our land phone or like a cable phone. So where it is connected, you have to talk there only. You cannot take this phone and move. Okay, you have to talk with the phone in sitting in that particular place only. But here children, this is the mobile phone where you can take the phone and move. No, move along with the phone and you can talk to the person as you are moving. So what is the advantage? Yes, so here this mobile phone has got the advantage. So the A option, the person in figure B can move without remaining connected to cable. Whereas here in A person, phone is connected to cable. Clear children? Now A is the correct answer. Okay, I'll just tick it. Now, so that is what children. Visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.